Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Somya. In today's video, we will be seeing a DIY highlighter. This is how it turned out to be. It provides a perfect glow and you can use it in place of any other highlighter. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the product that I'm using is aloe vera gel, vitamin E capsule, a glittery eyeshadow, a glycerin and an eyeshadow palette. The aloe vera gel will help you protect from sunburn. The vitamin E capsule gives you nourishment. The glycerin will lock your moisture. So let's start making our DIY highlighter. Now let's take an empty container in which you can store your highlighter for further use. Now taking this eyeshadow palette, from this I will be taking this white eyeshadow or the nude eyeshadow. Now we will add this white eyeshadow to the container. You can take any light eyeshadow of your choice. You can take the eyeshadow with the help of any instrument or an spatula and put it into the container. This is the amount of eyeshadow that I have taken and you can take it according to yourself. Now to add some color, you can take a BB cream of the shade that you like your highlighter to be. I will now mix them all properly in the container. This is how the mixture turned out to be. This is the light shade glitter that I will be using to make my highlighter. Now I am adding this light shade glitter to it and then mixing the mixture with the glitter. That will provide it a great effect. Now adding few drops of glycerin to it, just 2-3 drops of glycerin. This is the quantity of glycerin that I am adding to the mixture. Just put only few drops of glycerin to it. And then I am adding vitamin E capsule. Just put few drops according to the quantity of the mixture. And in the last I will be using aloe vera gel. You can use any aloe vera gel of your choice. Add a little quantity of the aloe vera gel. Make sure you are properly mixing it and so that no particle is left unmixed. This is how after mixing it turned out to be. Once I'm done, let's try this DIY highlighter.